Thomas Fan 2234, and I'm going basically burp.
Attention.
Sorry about that, my annoying brother doing like bringing or singing. So yeah. That was number 1. That was number 2. I know it sounded like the same, but who cares? Ow, that hurt my stomach. But whatever. That was number 4, I believe, or 3. 3. Okay. Was it 3 or 4? Yeah, he's not paying attention, so I believe it was extra 4. So yeah. Okay, that was my longest one. And that was number 5. By the way, there's no animations. So yeah. It's all me. I believe 5 or 6. I forgot. So yeah. I'm just doing this because I'm bored. By the way. That was some number I forgot. By the way, I want to be that, like, the reason why I haven't done a video in so while. Actually, it wasn't so a while. It was until about, well, basically that time, because I had free time since I was at my friend's house. So yeah, since I went to Six Flags, Great America, it was so fun. Ride the Viper. That's the funnest one.
Damn.
Yes, I'm sitting on my fan. It's actually comfortable. But I feel like I'm about to break it. Ooh, it's a spider. Would that move? Oh, whoops. Okay.